Today we kicking with turkey sauce, baked beans, barbecue, sweet baby rays.
Yes.
A's and Zane.
Yes. Eating with Dolion. Let's get it. Gotta have the peppers in there. Yup. Let's make it happen.
It's called a little struggle meal. We'll put something together, make it happen. Beans. I had to put the vegetables in there. A little taco meat from the other day. Honey. Oh. Honey. Okay. Onion powder. Hot sauce. Brown sugar. Let's get it. Saucy. A little ketchup. Okay. Let it get up in there. Let it marinate up in there. Eating with Dolion. Struggle meal, but I promise you, flavor. 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 Juicy. It's juicy. Juicy. Yeah. Different. Eating with Dolion. 1 through 10, I give it a eating with Dolion. 10.